In the days where Microsoft is deep in the Linux kernel and systemd tries to become the single point of control for everything, I wanted a server distro that stayed truly lean and outside the norm. Then I found Alpine Linux, the special forces of Linux distros, no bloat whatsoever. It idles at around 100 MB of RAM out of the box, built on musl libc and busybox. Every single binary is compiled as a position independent executable, with stack smashing protection for maximum security and minimal footprint. The APK Package Manager blazes through updates in seconds, not minutes, and provides a really smooth upgrade experience that complements its minimalistic nature. So forget about the bloated DNF and apt. It uses OpenRC instead of systemd, keeping the system simple and fully under your control. Translation: it's harder to hack, lighter to run, and impossible to kill. This is also why it's the gold standard base for lightweight Docker containers. That same extreme efficiency makes Alpine the perfect fit for cost-effective VPS, dedicated servers, running high-traffic websites, video CDNs, and serving static content at the edge. It's the go-to for Go applications which run with zero overhead. And it's also fantastic for repurposing old hardware, breathing new life into machines that heavier distros would leave struggling. If you want the full technical breakdown on why Pi, stack mashing protection, and the choice of musl libc is technically superior as a whole, I wrote a deep dive article on my website. You can find the link in the description. But for now, let me show you the minimalistic nature of this distro. I'm going to install Alpine on a virtual machine here locally. I'm going to install version 3.22. This is not the latest one. So, because I want to also show you the upgrade process. Okay, 1 gig of RAM, 1 CPU, 4 gigs of disk space. This is okay. Okay, so we run the installer command line, of course. Network configuration. Mirrors, you can select F and it will scan for the fastest one. I know which is the fastest one for me here, so I just enter the number. No user, open SSH. And you can run it also diskless, but for this setup we are going to use the virtual drive. VDA, we are going to encrypt and we are going to use it as a system drive. Okay, and installation complete. Super fast. Reboot. No systemd crap, so everything is super fast here, super simple. And here we are. We run this, we see it only uses 61.7 megs RAM out of the box, which is amazing. And of course, what is it running? Almost nothing, only a few processes. So you can actually configure it the way you want. There is no bloatware, installed by default, nothing. This is like a really stripped down installation, just the kernel and few necessary services. First, APK add Vim, because I need the Vim editor, and we are going to edit the package manager creation file for the repositories. I am going to enable the community And here you can see that this is the distribution version number. I can change it to the latest one, which is 23. And this way we are going to do the upgrade. First we do an update, APK update. The final step is APK upgrade. This is going to upgrade the system. And that's it. The system is upgraded. Let's reboot again. Yeah, we are on 3.23.3, which is the latest. The approach is really minimalistic. And this is what I love about this distribution, specifically for servers. So now I can also add engines, for example. Start. Okay, we have the web server running in a few seconds. I am also testing it now with some of my clients that they run high traffic websites. So we're talking about a lot of traffic and stressing out every bit of the dedicated servers we are using, because I am all about performance tuning and squeeze every bit of performance out of the CPU, of utilizing all the memory the best possible way. This is the best distribution for me right now, because you can start from scratch and build up. Plus it's free from all the commercial craziness that's going on within the Linux world. So tell me what you think in the comments. Would you use it actually for your servers or not? Or do you know of even a much better alternative? Please let me know. And on the next video, I am going to show you how I used Alpine Linux to build my Bitcoin and Monero node running via Tor, and how I utilized my more than 10 years old laptop to do that and repurpose it for that. So stay tuned, and I will see you on the next video.